Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another product review. I have here, this is the Princeton Brush from the Neptune Series, and it's the number 8. And I will show close-ups of this later. I recently purchased this, well, it was a few weeks ago, probably even close to a month now, but I purchased this from Jackson's Art online, and I have been using it for quite a while. And originally I was looking for the 6, which would be a little bit smaller, but it was sold out. But anyways, I still wanted to do this review in case anyone else was curious. Let's see, we'll do some leaves. So I'm just going to get a little bit green here. Okay. And these are just little tiny sheets here that I have cut. So you can get a nice good point, so like really, really skinny, and then press down and release. So this brush is really nice for like leaves and florals, which is one of the main reasons why I purchased it. And this particular one, it was on sale. It was around $10 on sale. I don't remember what the original price was, but it's definitely worth it. This, like, the handle is really nice. It's very smooth. Everything is made really well. And again, I think I would still like to have the 6 as well. Like I mentioned, this one's a little bit fatter. This is the 8. But again, it depends on how big that you like to work. You know, certain people like to work on larger pieces of artwork. I would say that mine is probably small to medium. It's a little dry. A little bit more water. But again, you can still get that really, really skinny point for more details or whatever it is that you're trying to do. But overall, this is a really, really nice brush. Bristles are very, very soft. And if you always keep them clean and in a safe place, watercolor brushes last a very, very long time. So if you do spend a little extra money, like I said, just take good care of it, and it's worth it. It really is. Let's see, we'll just do a couple more here. And like I said, I will show some close-ups right after this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick review, and be sure to subscribe and like the video, and stay tuned for more.